Youth Day mga giza dahil ni Dr. John Salon C. Thank you so much.
Youth is the energy of any nation. And the power of youth has an important contribution in the development of society and country. Therefore, it is very important that the maximum number of youth join the Drug-Free India campaign. Accepting this challenge of the country to
Ampati, I would like to welcome each and every one of you, especially to the Chief Guest, respected Additional Deputy Commissioner, Southwest Caribbeans Ampati, Sir Dr. C.R. and our honored guest, Dr. John Salon C.H. Assistant Professor HTC Jura, respected Madam, is observed annually on 12 August, like today, to recognize the important role of young people in shaping society's contribution to sustainable development. Observance serves as a global platform to promote youth participation, leadership, and empowerment, while highlighting the contributions of young people towards building inclusive and sustainable communities. In these few words, I conclude my welcome speech. Once again, thank you all.